Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown is attempting to shut down social casino games. A lawsuit also seeks to recover more than $200 million from app providers. KOMO Senior reporter Chris Daniels live this evening in Seattle after speaking with a former Nevada state regulator who says the Attorney General may be misinterpreting the law. Chris?
Hi, Preston. We are talking about freemium apps, as some people call them, that allow you to purchase credits to continue playing, and the ones that specifically involve casino-style gaming. The Attorney General's office is now saying that they believe they constitute illegal gambling in Washington State, despite the fact that the Washington State Gambling Commission previously said they're okay. They're the kind of games that people spend time on during the lunch hour or while in the checkout line. Games like Bingo Blitz that are free to play and require users to purchase credits to extend it and don't pay out actual cash prizes.
We are asking the court to stop their operations in the state of Washington.
Allison Cordova is leading the case for the AG's office filed in King County Superior Court that calls these kind of casino apps for-profit professional gambling games with 8 million purchases and $151 million spent by Washingtonians.
One of these apps even targeted children using things like cartoons.
And the Ninth Circuit did do an evaluation of what is a thing of value in the context of Washington State's gambling laws.
And that was the 2018 Cater decision?
Yes.
So why 8 years later bring this case?
Part of our investigation, we discovered that there were numerous Washingtonians who had reported that they were suffering addiction, depression, anxiety, stress. They were suffering debt, lost their retirement, lost their savings.
So they're not a gambling game.
Becky Harris is the former chair of the Nevada Gaming Control Board.
There's no wager. It's simply a point of sale purchase for items to enhance my gameplay.
Playtika, the defendant, argues Washington's own gambling commission distanced itself after the 2018 appellate decision, and we did not order these sites to discontinue free online play, and issued this flyer before that suggesting social gaming is legal if it can be played for free and apps don't pay virtual winnings in real money. Adds Harris.
And the big concern here is that gambling regulation would be inappropriately and incorrectly applied to these games.
Counters Cordova.
There's no real prize money, though, involved with these games.
Well, I think that's, depends upon how you look at it.
I never did get a solid answer today from the Attorney General's office on why it waited 8 years after that appellate ruling and after the State Gambling Commission said that those kind of apps were okay to operate in Washington State. However, the Attorney General's office did note a $38 million settlement between the state in a class action lawsuit against Playtika, which is one of those app operators, and they said this case could drag out for several years, with a hearing on all of this scheduled for next month in King County. For now, live in Seattle, I'm Chris Daniels, KOMO News.
All right, Chris, thank you.